it is Sunday, my favorite day, because we're ready for the markets tomorrow. So here we go. I wanted to go ahead and do three tickers. I'm going to do Tesla, TSL, and SPY. And so let me first start off with Tesla. I have already done the levels for you, but I will show you again where they are coming from. And we are going off of this weekly chart right here. So I'm just going to unlock this and put this right here. So as you can see, this is the past week. It closed up higher than the week before. And so we have our high, which is at 463.01. And if we want to be surgical with it, we can just double click, put that in there and put the high is 463.01. Okay, and then we want to go ahead and do our low, which is 435.25. Okay, so now that we have that in there, we'll lock it, and these are going to be our levels for the week. So what we're looking for is to go higher than 463. So if it opens up, we are looking to open up higher than the open, and this will be our next level going up. So let me reverse this just a second because let's see, reverse, and there we go. So if it goes higher, we're looking at 469.12. And let me go ahead and show you. I've already put in entry levels for you and take profit. So let me go over here and we're going to go to Tesla. And so this is what we are doing our entry levels on if you want to take notes and you want to write that in. Okay. So if we were, this is the smaller levels that are in between the Fibonacci. So you can go ahead and make note of these levels, pause the video, put this on your chart, and then on the next video, I'm going to show you how I do overnight trades so you can go ahead and implement that if you want to at another time. But these are going to be their levels for Tesla. And I also did the same thing for you for TSLL. Okay, so if what this means is if we are going to do, um, we're looking for a place to put an alert on our brokerage, Robinhood, Schwab, we want to go ahead and enter at 27.5, which is above the high of TSLL on the weekly chart. And then we want to take profit at 21.15. And then we also, Tesla may move pretty high this week, or it could go low because it's not really sure. It opened up in the middle here, but that usually means it will go bullish. So that is what we're looking at. So remember, Tesla does seem to ride level to level, and it usually does something like this. I do my cartoon arrows. I go up here, and then sometimes it will bounce up at this level and then come back down. So if it you can enter here and you may have the opportunity for it to go to this next level. If it cannot hold this, then we're looking down to come to this entry and then go to this take profit level number one and then our take profit level number two. So you have two options. You just have to go ahead and set your alert so you can know, okay, let's enter in 2075 and it looks like it's holding. That could be your next level. All right, and I did the same thing with SPY. Okay, and so SPY had a big dip down, and that could mean that SPY possibly will come down this week and go to this next level. So here is our call entry, which is going to be above the close. So it's 689.75. And we're looking at our first take profit level at 693. Now, if you like to be on the careful side, you can let this be your first take profit level as well, which but it should break higher than this. But 689.22 can also be a take profit level. I can put that in there. 689 take profit. 689.22 can also be, if you get in here, you can grab it here and then go to here, or you can just wait till it gets to 689.22 and try to see if it goes up here. But this may definitely go up. So you have a couple of options for SPY. Now there may be more room down here to grab for put. And if you do put, then you want to go ahead and enter in around 678.50. You can also enter here. If it cannot hold above this, then it can go down, and this is such a huge entry. You can come down to 686, ride to take profit to 683, come down and do another 679. I mean, on the put side, there's a lot of opportunity, guys. So anyway, I wanted to go ahead and show you these levels. If I go back over here, just to show you SPY, you can remember you can do your Fibonacci. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. You have the 0 level at the low, okay? And then we have the high as a 1 level, and this is what we're looking at to get into for the next week. So go ahead and make sure you practice putting your Fibonacci's up, and just remember 72 and 22 are our power levels. So if it cannot hold this level and you find that it comes up here and comes back down, it is most likely going to come back here to the 681 area. And as you can see, if it comes down to 681, you'll already be in put. Okay. So anyway, take note of that and see how that works out for you. Make sure you set your alert for these levels. And I hope you have an amazing trading week. And